Hello, I'm in a 2013 Nissan Murano, and today I'm going to show you how to change your display settings between English, Spanish, or French. So from here, we'll go to your your settings, and then we'll scroll down. So settings, scroll down to language, and then we'll push enter, and then language, push enter. And then here we've got English, French, or Spanish. So let's say we want Spanish. Are you sure? Yes. And then in just a moment it'll auto change all of it to Spanish. And then obviously I speak English, so here in a moment I'll switch it all back to English. So settings, and we'll go this down, idioma, enter, idioma on top, enter, and then back to English, enter, C for yes, and then again just a few moments it'll all be in English again. But I hope this video was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.